Graphing absolute values. First off, we might want to do this here. First off, just graph the absolute value of x plus 3, negative 2, which is an inside line. Remember the horizontal shift. The plus 3 as the vertex means it's at negative 3, negative 2. All right. So I'm going to put a dot at negative 3, negative 2. There's no number in front of the absolute value, so it's not reflecting down or it's not stretched anyway, so it's a normal slope of 1 over 1. So this is the normal absolute value shifted over to negative 3, negative 2. Now what I'm going to do is this here. See this y greater than or equal to? It has a bar underneath of it. If there's a bar underneath of it, that means the line is actually part of the solution, so it's going to stay a solid line. The only thing I need to do now is determine whether I'm shading above or below. And what I like to do is just stand on the vertex, and I look here and look at the y value. Are the y values larger or smaller? Because it says y greater. So if I'm standing here on this red dot, where are the y values greater? Above it. So I would shade above. That's what it would look like. Now I want you to look at this problem. The next one is the exact same problem except without the bar. Well, the vertex is still at the same negative 3, negative 2. The slope is 1, but this time because there's no bar, it is a dotted line. It's a dotted line or dashed line because the line itself is not part of the solution. So I have to denote that. And if I'm standing on the vertex, I'm looking for y values that are greater. So I shade above it. This is going to be the same problem, but now I have a less than or equal to. My vertex is still at that same negative 3, negative 2. It has a bar underneath of it, so that means the line is part of the solution. But this time if I'm standing on that vertex, that red dot, I'm looking for y values that are less than or smaller. Y values that are less than are below the line, so I would shade below like that. And then conversely, I have the same problem this time again with no bar should be there. There should be no bar on this one. The dotted line there would be no bar. It's kind of got a little mistake. All right. So that's what it would be like on this particular one right here. Remember, there's no bar should be